Good morning. My name is Ashwan Anand. I'm going to give a presentation on my project that is face recognition system. I'm under the supervision of Ms. Nithi and Dr. Nitin Mishra. Face recognition is a personal identification system that uses personal characteristics of a person to identify the person's identity. Human face recognition procedure basically consists of two phases, namely face detection, where this process takes place very rapidly in human under the condition where the object is located at a far distance. The next is introduction, which recognizes a face as individual. This involves knowledge of different domains and researchers from different disciplines such as neuroscience, computer vision, OpenCV, image processing, etc. etc. The area of this process is image processing. Now let's get into introduction. Everyday actions are increasingly being handled electronically instead of pencil and paper. This growth in electronic transactions results in great demand for fast and accurate user identification and authentication. Access code for buildings, banks, and accounts and computer systems often uses pins for identification and security clearances. Use of the proper pin gains access, but the user of the pin is not verified. This can be done by the face recognition technology may solve this problem since a face is undeniably connected to its owner except in a case of an identical twins. Face recognition is the task of identifying an already detected object as a known or unknown face. People often get confused between face recognition and face detection. The scope. The general experimental evaluation of the face expression system guarantees better face recognition rates. Having examined techniques to cope with expression variation in future, it may be investigated in more depth about the face classification problem and optimal fusion of color and depth information. It can be used in multiple ways such as criminal detection, government confidential security breaches, and in ATM surveillance security, while the implemented manual face detection. It can also be used for the mugshot matching. Next is literature survey. Literature survey in a project report is that section which shows the various analysis and research made in field of your interest. Face detection can be regarded as a more general case of the face localization. In face localization, the task is to find the locations and the sizes of a known number of faces. Now let us get into the depth of facial recognition. It requires no physical interaction on behalf of the user. It is accurate and allows the high enrollment and verification rates. It can use your existing hardware infrastructure, existing camera, and image capture. So there are basically two types in it. First is geometric. It is based on a geometrical relationship between a facial landmark, or in other words, the spatial configuration of facial features. Photometric stereo. It is used to recover the shape of an object from a number of images taken under different lighting conditions. Now let us look at the implementation of this system. The implementation of the face recognition technologies include five stages. First is image acquisition, second, image processing, third, distinctive characteristic location, fourth, template creation, and fifth, template matching. Image acquisition. By the name only you can get the basic structure of it. So image acquisition in it, facial scan technology may acquire faces from almost any static camera or video system that generates images of a sufficient quality and resolution. High quality enrollment is essential to eventually verification and for the use in the near future. Second is image processing. Images are cropped such as the facial image remains, and the color images are normally converted to black and white in order of their grayscale characteristics. First, the presence of faces of face in a scene must be detected. Once the face is detected, it must be localized and the normalizing process may be required. Third is the distinctive characteristic location. All facial systems attempt to match the visible facial features in a fashion similar to the way people recognize one another. The features most often utilized in the facial scan systems are those least likely to change significantly over time. The fourth one is the template creation. Enrollment templates are normally created from a multiplicity of processed facial images. These templates may vary in sizes. The final one is template matching. It compares template against the enrolled templates. A series of images is acquired and scored against the enrollment. Now let us see how the facial recognition system works. The facial recognition software is based on the ability to first recognize face, which is a technology feat in itself. Visconics defines these landmarks as nodal points. There are about 80 nodal points on a human face. Let us look at some of the few nodal points measured by the software. These are distance between the eyes, width of the nose, depth of the eye socket, cheekbones, jawline, and chin. You can see all these nodal points in the image given below. So in the image acquisition process and in the detection of these as known or unknown faces in the database, there are several processes that are being included. Let us look at these processes. These are detection, alignment, normalization, representation, and finally the fifth one is matching. And all this image acquisition processing and all the other processes that we have discussed previously, there are a lot of challenges that are faced by the system. These challenges are: first one is illumination. The appearance of a face will drastically vary when the illumination changes. Let us say that when the light is very low, the system finds it very difficult to identify the face. The second and third is the face pose and face expression. When the face pose and face expression changes, the system has a difficult in processing of this image and then checking it in its database. The next one is RST variation. RST means rotation, scale, and translation. The next 2 points are cluster backgrounds and allocution. The allocution is one of the most difficult problems in face recognition and face detection. It means that some part of the human face are unobserved, especially the facial features. Application. So there are various applications of the face recognition system. Now let us go through these. There are security or counterterrorism, daycare, residential security, voter verification, banking using ATM, advertising, unlock phones, identify people on social media platform. The unlock phones and identify people on social media platforms are being done by us on a day-to-day basis. The banking using ATM is the point we have discussed previously. Now let us look at the strengths and weaknesses. Strengths: it has the ability to leverage existing image acquisition equipment. It can search against the static images such as driver's license photographs. It is the only biometric able to operate without user cooperation. Weaknesses: changes in acquisition environment reduce matching accuracy. Changes in physiological characteristics reduce matching accuracy. It has the potential for privacy abuse due to the non-cooperative enrollment and the identification capabilities. Now let us go through the requirements used for this systems. The hardware requirements. You can see that the requirements are pretty much basic. The RAM must be minimum 4 GB, the storage is 300 GB, and any laptop or PC with a webcam is more than sufficient for this. Now let us look at the software requirements. Client environment may be Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. The language which we are using is Python. And the third point is OpenCV. So this OpenCV Python is a library of Python bindings designed to solve computer vision problems. Thank you.